Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link a bank account to Prizepicks. All right, let's begin. To link your bank account, you need to use an instant bank transfer. This is a quick, easy, and secure way to connect your bank account directly to Prizepicks. First, enter your deposit amount, then select Instant Bank Transfer. This will open a secure window where you can choose your bank. Next, enter your online banking username and password. This information is securely processed through a third-party verification platform. After logging in, select the bank account you want to connect, whether it is a checking or current account. Verify all details, then click Confirm Deposit. Once completed, your bank account will be successfully linked to Prizepicks. So that's basically how you can link a bank account to Prizepicks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.